Subscribe to this channel and hit the bell button to get notifications. From your computer, hit the flower option to get notified. Hey guys, it's Prachi, and in today's beauty favorites video, I'm gonna talk about a hair straightening brush, not a hair straightening wand, but a hair straightening brush. Now, I know a lot of people must be wondering right now, Prachi, what do you know about hair straightening? You already have straight hair. Well, it is true, I do have naturally straight hair, but here's the thing about hair straightening, okay? It's like, even though I have naturally straight hair, do you see what has happened to my hair over here? It's like whenever I tie my hair, which is practically all the time, after I'm done with my video, I do tie up my hair because it's long hair and you need to tie up your hair. It's like because I tie up my hair, my hair actually ends up getting these really horrible waves. So my hair is not straight, my hair is not wavy, my hair does not have decent curls. It's like just somewhere in the middle looking like really horrible. So I do need to straighten my hair very regularly, in fact. And to be very honest, guys, by the way, I have a really cool hair straightening routine. It's like a 5-10, not even 10 minute. It's basically a 5-minute routine. It's a very quick routine, which everybody can follow. You can even make it a daily hair straightening routine if you want, like quite honestly. So let me know in the comment section below if you want a video on that. I can make that video and I can actually show you how to use this thing even better. Back to this hair straightening brush. I picked up this hair straightening brush, guys, because I saw a lot of YouTubers talking about it, and I was like, okay, this is something which I have to try out because I use hair straighteners so often and I don't like it, Hair straighteners, they have this metallic band. It does feel harsh on the hair, right? I mean, when you use a hair straightening wand, it does eventually burn your hair. It does eventually make your hair coarse and rough. So personally, I love this brush in comparison to that wand because it contains this plastic tip instead of a metallic tip. Now, I know some of you will be thinking that is heating plastic even a good idea? I'll just give you a very quick example, okay? There are plastic bowls available for using in your microwave as well, right? That's because there are certain types of good quality plastics which you can heat up and it's totally safe. So I'm guessing, nobody told me this, but I'm guessing that this hair straightening brush also contains the same kind of plastic. Also, the bristles are actually very soft. So when you use it on your hair, like this, it actually feels really gentle on the scalp. And it does comb your hair while heating up your hair really well. Now, using this thing is actually very simple, guys. It's much simpler than using the hair straightening wand. I'll put the link in the description box below, guys, because I've forgotten the price. But it's not very expensive. It's like moderately expensive, so you can totally buy it. And yeah, for the beginners, it works really well because first of all, you need to hold it just like as a regular brush, like any regular hairbrush that you would hold. And all you have to do is to turn on the power and just adjust the heat settings according to your requirements. Now, I'll be very honest, I do like to keep it on the slightly higher settings for faster hair brushing and faster hair straightening. And since we're at it, also let me tell you guys, while this thing heats up faster than the regular hair straightening wands, the hair straightening time that it takes is practically the same, okay? And once the brush is ready, all you have to do is to just hold it as a regular brush, like I just said, and then just take in your hair in little sections. Slowly just glide it through the hair, pushing it slightly towards yourself. If you want, you can use a little bit of hairspray. Personally, I do use hairspray for my own hair straightening. Do not use water. I would not recommend that. And if you have some extra time in hand, you can also use some aloe vera gel. What I'll do is I'll just share a link in the description box below for how to straighten your hair using aloe vera gel. And yeah, I hope you will like that. So guys, that was my quick review for this hair straightening brush. I just thought of telling you guys about it because getting the right hair straightening machine in a decent price, something that actually works and does not damage your hair. There are a lot of permutation, combination, a lot of things that are actually important when you go purchasing a hair straightening wand or a brush for yourself. So yeah, hopefully this video will help all those girls out there who are looking for a hair straightening equipment for themselves. And yes, of course, if you have any queries, write your questions in the comment section below. Let me know if you like this video by hitting like on this video. Hey, that was a new one. Usually I just say hit like on this video. Let me know if you like this video by hitting like on this video. Subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed yet. And follow me on my social media. Although I don't think you can see it right now. I think I've totally blurred it out today. All the social media links have been shared in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching, guys. This is me, Prachi, signing off now. Bye.